Welcome, friends. Funny animals from A to Z are waiting. Let's laugh and learn together.
B is for ballet buffalo, twirling like a star. C is for curious cat, always in trouble.
E is for excited elephant. Cow, bounce, bounce, whee! F is for forgetful fox. Where's my lunch? Oh, that's too funny! My neck!
H is for hula hippo, beach dance mode on.
I is for invisible iguana. Where'd he go? L is for laughing llama. He spilled the shake.
M is for musical monkey. Ha! Rock that beat.
This octopus throws the best underwater party ever. Look at those moves. Cheese. This Quacko's the king of funny selfies. Shh.
U is for unicorn, who thought the umbrella was a spaceship.
X is for xylophone and X-ray fish who love music.
W is for walrus, with a juicy watermelon on his head.
X is for Xerus, who plays the xylophone like a pro. Y is for yak, who tries yoga but keeps yawning.
Z is for zebra, zipping so fast it made sparks fly.